will be making a garden hanging with bird. So firstly, I have created a bird shape on paper and I have cut it out. Now you can take any clay and roll it out. After that, using the same bird cutout, we will trace it on the clay and cut the shape out from the clay like this. Then you can remove the extra clay. For making it a hanging, we have to make 2 holes in the shape as well as add details like eyes, wings, etc. Now we can make small patterns to give the bird details, like you can see in the feathers and in the beak. For creating a long hanging, we will make more such beads with holes in them like this from the clay. After all of it is dried, we will use white acrylic paint and give the structures a coat. Make sure you paint from all the sides. After the white color is dried, we will now use different colors of our choice to paint the bird. You can see I have created many small shapes like leaves and circles. You can use any color combination to paint the bird. Make sure you carefully paint all the patterns you want to be highlighted and then let it dry. You can add as many details as you want. Once all the pieces are dried, we will use wool or any kind of thread to join them together. So you can see how the holes we made will now help in joining them. So we have to pass the wool through the holes and then cut the extra part. You can see I am taking help of a metal wire to go through the holes like this. You can see how you have to add beads one by one like this. Once all your pieces are joined and tied together, your hanging is ready. Thank you.